Kajelang kakanhun Menteri Sorkar ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA haka arpnyo trip juliu araja arkwar kala menjur ban penkelai ki kyndon haka Meghalaya Minor Minerals Concession Rule MMMCR arja kan rio haka bai de baka kamti shyiap haka jela. Menteri dang ba ka jela Meghalaya kan rat ke sang ma ba pentip yakani hadien ke jelang ulu ong ba on ai ka mining license lan mining lease shaki bru ki ba kwa klong shyiap haki rudwa.
We have also decided to amend the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Concession Rules 2016. The amendment is very simple, and the amendment, there will be another provision that will be added, which will read as quotes, provided that above mentioned restrictions shall not apply to river bed sand mining and river bed mining. Earlier, because of the non-clarity and because of certain provisions under the MMMCR, the permissions for sand mining were not being given by the different departments of the government. And now that after this decision has been made, there's going to be clarity, and the process of properly, legally giving necessary mining licenses or leases to individuals who wish to mine in the riverbed will be granted based on this particular amendment that has been made today. So it says that within a distance of 100 meters from any village, water source, bridges or dams, reservoirs, and from the edge of state highways and any other states where when blasting is not involved. So basically, the earlier rules restricted in one way and was not clear on sand mining. And this has been a source of livelihood and also important for the construction industry as a whole in the state. And because of the non-clarity in the MMMCR, the mining was taking place, but without proper licensing, since the pollution and the other forest department and others were not able to give based on the fact that there were no provisions in the MMMCR. And hence, in the cabinet today, we included the provision which says that provided that above mentioned restrictions shall not apply to riverbed sand mining and riverbed mining. So this is the important aspect. Now, obviously, there will be certain ways and means in which the mining should take place, and those aspects will, of course, will be maintained and will be also reviewed from time to time. If there are certain situations that are there, then definitely the respective departments will go into aspects. But as I said, in a proper manner and proper procedure, this particular minings will be allowed.